Hospitality is changing. Travelers expect instant responses across all channels.
I do not think a chatbot is the right interface for travel.
So there are thousands on the market for all sorts of interests.
Agentic AI.
AI.
Many AI agents.
There are two kinds of AI agents in hospitality, the ones that respond and the ones that do the work. For most of the industry, AI means a faster reply. The actual work, the refund, the rebooking, the dispatch still falls back on your team. This is Conduit, an AI workforce built for hospitality. Agents that don't just reply, they run the work end to end.
A guest emails about a late checkout. Conduit replies in your brand voice, checks the next reservation, and confirms back to the guest. After checkout, Conduit handles the follow-up that drives your review scores and stores guest preferences so the next stay is fully personalized. A group inquiry hits at midnight, Conduit quotes, negotiates, and books straight into your PMS. When Conduit needs a human in the loop, the conversation escalates in our unified inbox, with a record of every step the agent took. Behind every guest-facing agent is Operator, your team's AI teammate. And the more you use Operator, the smarter it gets. Every interaction is a lesson. Operator writes the missing knowledge, updates the procedure, and builds its own tools. So next time, the work just runs. The feature is already here. Conduit is live across 300 hospitality brands with over 100,000 properties and has handled over 50 million guest conversations. Start today at conduit.ai.